microwave society. I know you've heard that term before, but in my opinion, the microwave is one of the worst inventions ever created. I understand it's convenient, it's fast, but the microwave destroyed the process. See, preparing a meal takes some level of skill. It takes artistry, finesse, patience, and the microwave gave us those same results in an instant. The most important part of cooking a meal is when the heat changes the molecular structure of the ingredients, merging the seasoning, the toppings, the substance, and turning it into something completely different. That takes time, and that creates something that's satisfying to the body. But now you just pop food in the microwave for a few minutes and you get a cooked meal. But it don't taste the same. You get the results, but it don't look the same. And when you eat microwave food, it does not feel the same. The microwave gave us the outcome without the effort. It destroyed the process. And that was all good when it was just food. It doesn't quite taste the same, but it gets the job done. But now we expect everything in our lives to have a microwave option. Our problems. We don't take time to heal, to grow, to learn. Instead, we look for microwave solutions to mask the stuff that we're dealing with, like alcohol, drugs, sex, shopping, traveling, instead of doing what's necessary to deal with and grow from those issues. Our bodies. We want fast microwave solutions in every part of our health and fitness. A pill, a surgery, a diet, anything so that we don't have to put forth the discipline to truly change the dynamics of our health and fitness. Our development. We want the cliff notes to our education and growth, the YouTube video. And lastly, our wealth. We want everything fast. We want to flip our investment in a few months. We want our business to be successful in the first year. We want to be wealthy without the work. We want the prosperity without the process. But if you get the money without going through the process, it's not going to taste the same. It's not going to look the same. And it's not going to feel the same. You see, rich looks like wealth, but it don't feel like it. I can go buy a bunch of Louis Vuitton and give me a Rolls Royce and look wealthy. But if I can't afford those things, I won't feel like it. The process is missing. The same way that heat is necessary to change the molecular structure of food, the work, the effort, the challenges, the failure are necessary to change your mindset. I heard somebody say that the first million is the hardest to get, but once you get it, the second million is inevitable. That's because it's not the money that matters. It is who you have to become to get the money. The knowledge, the wisdom, the development, the growth, the process. Wealth is in the process. When you go through the process, you become the wealth. The reason why cooked food tastes better is because the ingredients slowly over time merge with one another to become something completely different. And once that thing comes together, it is irreversible. Once you become the person that you need to be to acquire wealth, you cannot take away that wisdom. It's irreversible. Why do you think people who win the lottery or get money fast have trouble keeping it? It's because they skipped a step. They didn't go through the process of becoming who they needed to become to handle that level of wealth. The work, the sacrifice, the blood, the sweat, the tears, the knowledge, the ingredients necessary to create wealth. Stop trying to skip steps. When it comes to life and wealth, there is no microwave option. And if you get the results without the process, it's not going to taste the same. I know we want it now. I know we feel like we're on the clock and we got to make things happen fast. But there is no microwave solution when it comes to building wealth. You have to go through the process. You have to become the person that you need to be to handle the level of wealth that you're trying to attain. That takes wisdom. That takes patience. It takes time. It takes effort. There are necessary ingredients that have to be merged and fused to get you to who you need to be to deal with what you're trying to get. You got to go through the process. Because if you get the money without going through the process, it's not going to taste the same.